Hi, welcome to your next car on the walk around video for the 2016 66 Reg 435D M Sport Convertible in Glacier Silver Metallic. Alongside a superb exterior colour, the vehicle features a wide array of BMW options. We've also added a for your next car M Performance body styling kit finished in the carbon effect. The car comes with the 19-inch BMW 442M alloy wheels, which are in incredible condition. They also have the mixed premium run flat tyres. We've got the M Sport Plus package, including the M Sport Plus brakes all the way around, a body colour air breather, the carbon effect side vinyls, matching sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals, alongside some really great interior features. Beginning with the interior, we'll show you around once we unlock the car. There we go. We've got a black M Highlight Dakota leather with the electric movement and memory for driver's side. Both front seats are heated and have got the air collar system as well. We've got the very sought after Harman Kardon surround sound, again as part of that M Plus package. You do get a very spacious Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement within the convertible 4 Series and a central storage tray as well. It does come with the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, alongside working very nicely with the X-Drive 4-wheel drive system. Again, showing you off there, not only is this a very clean and tidy car, all 4 wheels are in great condition. At the back, we've opted to go for the high gloss rear boot spoiler and then a very nice carbon effect rear diffuser. Opening up the boot, of course, often a spoken about point of any hardtop convertible is your luggage area. And you'll see there everything's folded nice and neatly away. However, we've got a very easy access there because we can lift everything out and then show you the full boot capacity for the 4 Series convertible. If this is your first time seeing one of these videos, you'll be very pleasantly surprised with how big the area really is. And you can simply lift that open and you can see for yourself that that is a very large boot for a hardtop convertible vehicle. Simply shut that back down and it will fold nice and neatly back into its storage tray before we head on to the driver's side of the car and shortly head on inside the vehicle. With the roof closed and back down, at the other side you can see that the Glacier Silver works really well with all of that carbon effect, alongside a set of nice BMW 19-inch alloys. And we're going to go on inside now, quickly run yourself through the interior features, beginning with the wonderful professional wide navigation and media screen, and we'll also start the car up. Whilst the roof begins to close, which cannot be used at speeds of 15 miles an hour, this vehicle has covered just 37,406 miles, so a nice low mileage example. Did of course mention that 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. It has got cruise control and a speed limiter option as well. We've got dual climate controls along with the switches for our heated seats. And once the roof movement has been completed, we'll run yourself through a couple more features of the screen, beginning with the sat nav, which is a really user-friendly system. Also has real-time traffic updates to ensure you're on the fastest route possible. We've got Bluetooth, telephone and audio. We've also got a huge amount of multimedia inputs, including DAB, music collection, AUX and USB inputs, alongside the pre-mentioned Bluetooth audio. Back at the main menu, we'll go ahead and check out this vehicle's service requirements and service history. You can see there everything is highlighted in green, and the car does also come with full BMW service history as well. So a really nice high-spec 435D M Sport convertible that also comes with full BMW service history. And of course the last thing to do is just quickly show you what this vehicle looks like with its roof fully closed. And whether you have the roof down or fully closed, they are a great looking vehicle and a convertible you can certainly use every single day should you want to. So thank you very much. If you want to find out more, you'll find all of the relevant links down below in the description. Thank you guys, do of course take care, and we'll hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.